The functions of the respiratory system is to pick up oxygen from the airway inhale and releases carbon dioxide into the airway exhale. The respiratory system consists of the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. First, in the respiratory passageways, transport air into some of the most delicate tissues in the body to keep lung tissue healthy. Air entering the respiratory system must be filtered, moistened, and warmed. Hairs lining the entrance to the nasal cavity start the filtering process by trapping large particles. Incoming air is warmed in the inner nasal cavity and sinuses. These areas produce mucus that moistens the air and catches even more dust particles. Then the air moves through the nose, in the nose to a cavity at the back of the mouth called the pharynx or throat. The pharynx serves as passageway for both air and food. Air moves from the pharynx into the trachea or windpipe. Between the pharynx and the trachea is the larynx, that contains two highly elastic folds of tissue known as the vocal cords. When muscles pull the vocal cords together, the air moving between them causes the cords to vibrate and produce sounds. Mucus produced in the trachea continues to trap inhaled particles. Cilia lining the trachea sweep both mucus and trace particles away from the lungs toward the pharynx. From there, the mucus and particles can be swallowed or spit out. This process helps keep the lungs clean and open for the important work of gas exchange. Then from the trachea, air moves into large tubes in the chest cavity called bronchi. Air bronchus leads to one lung. Within each lung, there are large bronchus divided into smaller bronchi, which lead to even smaller passageways called bronchioles. Bronchi and bronchioles are surrounded by smooth muscles controlled by the autonomic nervous system. As the muscles contract and relax, they regulate the size of air passageways. The bronchioles continue to divide until they reach a series of dead ends, millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli is a group in clusters, like bunches of grapes. A delicate network of capillaries surrounds each alveolus.